How to create an email template in Canva. I'm going to tell you how to create an email template in Canva. First, go to canva.com and in the search bar, type email newsletter or email template. Pick a design that matches your brand's vibe. Then, click it and start customizing. Change the text, colors, and images to fit your content. Keep it clean and readable since emails need to be easy on the eyes. Once done, click Share, then choose Download and select PDF or PNG. If you're using it in an email platform like MailChimp or Gmail, upload the design there as an image or HTML file. Save your Canva project so you can easily duplicate and edit it for future campaigns. This way, you'll have a consistent, on brand email template ready anytime you need it.